Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to import beats on Bandlab. So Bandlab is a platform that allows you to create music. You can add different sort of beats, vocal, music, tunes and compile them into a beautiful music. So I'll show you how easily you can import beats onto it so you can create music. Also, if you're looking to join this platform, you can find its link in the description below. So at first you have to simply open up your browser and search for BandLab, get its to it website and create your account. If you have already created it, then that's great. You will be onto this home page. Now once you're onto home page, you can see we have different options and it looks very similar to other social media platforms. Now on the top right side, you can see we have this option which is create. Through this, you can just simply create your music. So in that case, you have to click onto it and then you will see the different options. Now you have to click on this first one, which is the new project. If you already have any project created and you want to import beats into it, you can just simply open it. But for now, I'm going with the new project. Initially, it will just take a while to load and it will take you to this page. Now it may show you some of these options if you're joining it for the first time. So you can just simply click onto this got it option so you can get rid of all that. Now onto this page we have this section where you can import any sort of music, any sort of beats, or if you have any vocals or whatever you would like to. Majorly we are talking about the beats, so I'm gonna say if you want to import beats you have to click onto it and you have to make sure that you have those in the form of mp3 in your system. Then just simply select them and upload it there. Now this is as simple to upload it. You can see we just have to simply click onto that import option and from your system you can upload it. If you want to listen it, you can click onto it and it will start playing and you can listen it up. You can also pause it, and if you would like to record by yourself you can also do it at the moment. Now once you have pasted your beat, you can just simply move it wherever you would like to start or end it, or you can also trim it as per your choice. So there's very great margin, you can just simply do many stuff. Now if you want to upload more than one, the process will be very same. You can upload as much beats as you would like to, there's no restriction to it, but as much as you upload then you will have to manage all of them. So you can just simply click onto that option and again upload the beats that you would like to. Once you have pasted the another beat, now you can just simply play it and you can listen it how it sounds, and if you find them okay you can keep that way. But if they are overlapping then you can just simply move them as per your choice, like you can keep one at the first and the second one you can move it later, or you can also trim it. So you have all the margin, you can manage as per your choice. Even you want one beat to play at once and the second one after it, you can also do it. You just have to simply trim it and swipe it and then you can play. Now this time if you play it first, you will listen the beat that you have set as first, and once it completed then you will listen to the other beat. So you can manage as per your choice which beat you would like to. And the more you upload then you have to manage it. It may get a little bit hard because if you're uploading too much, but don't worry, if you keep using this platform then you will understand. So once you have listened it up, you can also increase their speed and other stuff. Now if you want to upload more, then again you have to click onto this import option and from your system you have to upload more beats. You can upload as much as you would like to, all will be there. You can compile it into a beautiful song. So that's how you can import beats on Bandlabs. The process simple. You have to just simply log in with your account and you have to simply open any of your project and click onto that import option. From there you can import the beats. If you want to get them at all once, you can select them together, otherwise you can do it one by one and the beats will be there, and then you can compile them into a music or any sort of song that you would like to. So that was all about how to import beats on Bandlab. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can also leave a like, comment, and if you have any queries regarding this video or maybe if you would like to have any concerns, you can mention in the comment section below. And at the last, thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.